Let me show you 2 ways you can discover services in a Drupal site. Now, the first option is to use Drush, but make sure you also download the Devel module, because the Devel module gives you a new command called Drush DL:services, and this will list out all of your services on your Drupal site. You can even pass an argument, which will then filter that list. So here we are filtering the list by node. So it'll return all services that have the keyword node in it. Now, the other way to see all of your available services is to use the WebProfiler module. Now, this module adds a nice little debug toolbar down at the bottom of your Drupal site. So go ahead, download and install it. Once installed, click on the Drupal icon on the right-hand side and go to the configuration page. Then in active toolbar items, make sure you enable services. It is off by default. And then you should see the services link. If you click on it, you will see all of the initialized and available services. And then if you click into the page, you should see an actual list of all of your available services. And this just gives you a nice overview of all the available services on your Drupal site. So if you want to find out what's available, then look at using Drush or WebProfiler.